Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Ian in Ohio on this RCI 99N2. We've really went through a lot of these over the past week or so. Very nice radios. Somebody did ask if they were compact. No, these are full size, just like your normal DX radios, 98 VHPs and so forth. You do have an amp on and off switch right here. If you didn't catch any of my review videos yet, there's your sideband, nice noise blanker. It is a 12 band. Let's just get right to it here. Gonna turn the RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. We're at 5 watts all the way down. Roll it all the way up. 50 watts all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Hello, 1 2 1 2. Hello, 100 watts in the corner. Let's go to 250 watt slug and average. Hello, about 120. Yeah, 120 average. Show you peak power. Hello, and just like all the rest, 250 right on the money. Alright, Ian's ready to come to you. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.